At Curry Park in West Palm Beach, a handful of advocates gathered Tuesday to share concerns over recent measures passed by the state legislature.
Another attack on this community who's already lived in fear.
Their discontent is partly with Senate Bill 1718, the new immigration law that just went into effect July 1st.
People can't even feel comfortable driving with their family members to school, to an emergency like going to the hospital. They have to live in fear at work.
When he signed the measure into law, Governor Ron DeSantis said it was to fight the Biden border crisis.
Where is this president's energy? Where's his vigor? Where's his commitment to the cause? He's just sitting around doing nothing.
Among the new law's provisions, tougher penalties for knowingly transporting undocumented people into the state. E-Verify employment screenings for new hires for companies with at least 25 employees. Florida will no longer recognize out-of-state driver's licenses for the undocumented, and hospitals will also be required to ask whether someone is lawfully in the country.
The law in many respects is unconstitutional.
Ira Kurzban is a South Florida immigration attorney not involved in the ACLU lawsuit. He says there are a number of problematic measures in the new state law, one surrounding the issue of transporting undocumented people, which he says has already been resolved by the Supreme Court.
Because the federal government really has the authority to make those decisions, not any states. You can imagine how chaotic the law would be if each state decided to make its own rules about immigration.
Kurzban adds a bigger problem is that you're putting enforcement in the hands of those who know little about the issue.
Florida Highway Patrol, police officers in cities, they've got so many other issues that are more important. They're now being charged with enforcing this law.
Before its passage, Republican backers of the measure in Tallahassee said it would act as a deterrent to a migrant influx.
We have a very serious issue happening right now at the border. As I said before, the states need to take action.
No word yet when or where the lawsuit against this new law will be filed. We reached out to the governor's office for a response. John Shainman, WPTV News Channel 5.